there could be some kind of revelation, not just revelation, it's something huge, it's something big. The universe is showing me, no, a big rock, no, like a stone, ganon, no, and it looks like, no, kung ano man ito mga babes, no, ito yung klase, ganun kalaki, no, na klase ng revelation or truth about something yung dapat mong malaman, no. So, ano pa nga ba, di ako rin mag-i-interpret nun. May iba pa ba dito sa channel na ito mga babes 'no, siyempre ako na rin yun, okey? But I gonna tell you guys na sa vibe ng room, like right at this very moment, okay, I wanna be honest, I don't like the vibe. Okay, let us see. Ano ba 'tong gustong malaking i-reveal sa inyo ni universe 'no, na puwedeng you're not aware of it, pero gigisingin natin 'no, with that malaking bato that we've seen 'no. Ano ka ba miss 'yan, ibig sabihin ipupukol mo sa'kin yung malaking bato. Grabe, literal ka naman. Let the stone or big rock rolling 'no, by interpreting itong mga mensahe 'no, at hindi mo na kailangang isipin yun kasi nga trabaho ko yun dito. Mukhang meron ka ditong ka-connect, yung iba bago pa lang ninyo itong ka-connect 'no. This is a fresh energy 'no, appearing here as the Ace of Wands 'no. This is something here very passionate now, very, expressive itong person na 'to 'no, sa kanya ritong pakikipag-connect sa'yo. This person here, naglalaan siya sa'yo ng time 'no. Nakikita ko dito that this person's intention here for you guys 'no is, yeah, wala naman akong nakikita ditong something negative 'no, pero iba yung nararamdaman ko, eh. Pero teka lang, something to do with pagod? Yeah, I just heard napagod 'no, if tama ako. Medyo mahina kasi yung na, pero pagod, napagod. Yeah, told you guys, this person here is very expressive sa kanyang emotions and feelings. Look at that. Okay, this person here, when it comes to offer, lumalabas lamang siya bilang Page of Cups. It's happening. Yeah, I know this is the kind of song na very romantic sana 'no, pero okay, ito yung song 'no. Kili wag mo sanang isiping ikaw ay aking lilisanin, di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling hangga't may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Yeah, no, but for some reason, no, I'm sensing some kind of different. It's like the other way around, no. That's something na very beautiful song, pero nakakuha tayo ng emphasis doon sa hangga't na word, no. So ibig sabihin parang hangga't may pagmamahal, ipagpapatuloy niya 'to sa'yo. Hangga't may nararamdaman siyang pag-ibig, so parang sinasabi niya rito na parang hanggang mahal ka lang niya. Okay. And 'pag napagod siya, puwedeng siya ay umalis, yun ba yun, 'no? Kasi yun ang nakikita natin dito, tapusin muna natin. Yeah, okey. Sabi ko sa inyo, eh. Dito pa lang dapat naramdaman ko na ano, na dapat in love yung datingan, like road to forever na ito, ano? Pero hindi, eh, 'no? Kasi iba talaga yung nase-sense ko 'no, bago pa lang ito ilapag, 'no? At iyon na nga yun, 'no? And that is something here na ginagamit pa nga mismo sa mga kasal 'no, na song 'no, 'di ba? Pero iba yung datingan dito, so parang hangga't may pag-ibig lang, 'pag napagod gogora na 'te, 'no? So, before we dive more sa reading ninyo, let me just greet everybody first. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Islam buyers. Thank you sa inyo walang sawang love at support for me. At kung di pa alam or pata other channel, link down below sa ating description box if interesado. I-click lamang yung link niya para kayo mapunta there. At araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yung natin gender dito, by lalaki LGBT, everybody, welcome. Pwede rin pong iswitch ang mga roles. Dahil possible magkapalit-palit po yan kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na pwede nyo pong gamitin anytime, anywhere. And yun nga mga babes, no? Kaloka. Okay, no, nakikita natin dito that someone here, iba wala pa 'to, hindi pa 'to dumarating sa buhay ninyo, no? Aakalain niyo talaga that he or she is the one, pero hindi pa pala siya. Okay? Look at that, the temperance right here, no? Ewan ko, I don't like talaga the temperance dito sa deck na ito, no? Because I do see that this person here, look at that. One eye is open and the other eye is closed. It looks like this person here, no, is really unsure, okay, of what he or she really wants in life. That's the energy. This feels like someone na parang feeling mo destiny mo na with the Two of Cups energy. This person jives to whatever it is that you want to do. This person here, no, is someone who will agree sa'yo, no. This person here will not contradict you but will support you. This person here, yes, will be passionate sa inyo, no, and almost maaring to the point that you will go blinded because of this expression of affection and adoration for you. But it looks like this person here may hangganan, no? Yung kanya ritong love for you. Actually, I'm sorry to say this, but I don't see this as something no long lasting, but this is something here that might be confusing, no? Because I don't like it. Why? Because I'm seeing you that you will get hurt, no, in the middle of this relationship. I do see that this person here sa umpisa lang ito. This person here could be someone na parating pa lang makikilala niyo pa lang someone brand, no? You might mistaken this person here as the love of your life, no, because of the emotions that you will feel or because of the expressing, no, ng kanya rito, no, ng mga gagawin actions, no, para sa inyo during the courtship stage, no. This person here will show you how he or she, no, is romantic, and this person here will do anything, everything right in here, but definitely he or she is not the one. Nakita ko dito mapapagod siya. Mapapagod siya, puwedeng mapagod siya ditong mahalin ka. Okay, I also do see right in here that this person here is also someone na 'pag ayan na talaga yung as in ano, ayan na talaga yung problema, andiyan na talaga yung test, yung obstacles, 'no. I'm seeing this person here, hindi niya kayo rito tutulungan. Duwag pa ito. Nakita natin dito. And what I don't like is that the Page of Cups is the center of this person's energy. This person here offers this super liit cup or chalice of love. This person here is just good with words, with communications. This person right here is just good in showing actions of adorations. But this person here is someone who's not really into that kind of deeper feelings and emotions. This person here is just for casual flings, but definitely this person here is not someone meant for you guys. This person will leave you sa mga times na kailangan mo ng tulong. Ay babe, busy ako pasensya ka na. Di talaga pwede kasi yung boss ko, etc., etc. A lot of excuses. This is not the type of person who will jump into bangin for you guys. He or she is not the type of person. This person is just words. This person here, he or she is not the one. But you might be, go blinded because of his or her actions, during the first stages of your connection or love relationship. But definitely this person here will just keep you trapped. Okay? So the universe wants you to run away from this person here. Okay? Kung maaga pa naman at hindi pa kayo masyadong nai-inlove sa kanya to the point na hindi niyo pa siya nagiging parang kino-consider as buhay mo, no? Or as long as hindi pa siya nagiging pag-ikot ng mundo mo, then definitely step away. Okay, you can do it slowly, step away slowly from this relationship or from this person right in here, no, before your feelings, no, ay lumalim for this person because this person's not the one. This person here tends to leave you. Worse, maaring i-ghost pa kayo nito. Yan, no. Yung ano, wala pang November pero igo-ghost kayo niyan, 'di ba? So kasi naman 'tong energy na 'to, definitely marupok siya, lumalabas siyang marupok rito. And aside from being marupok 'no, meron ding tinatago na hidden desire itong person na 'to 'no. Mga bisyo na never niyang sinasabi sa mga naka-connect niya. And I hate to say this, whatever bisyo is that 'no, isa 'yun sa mga nagiging dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng separation silang dalawa ng kung sino man yung mga naka-connect niya sa past 'no. Because this is something here that he or she cannot correct 'no, or release from himself or herself. Definitely unhealthy vices. So kung sino man 'tong energy na ito, I do see that this person here na will make you see or make you feel that this is love, this is genuine love, this is real love, pero it's not. It's just a mere infatuation. This is not something long lasting, sweetheart. This person here will just offer you, no, less. Okay? You might be someone here, no, na pag naging super invested ka na raw with the strength card energy, baka mahirapan kang pakawalan siya. But this person here is not someone who can fulfill, okay, yung gusto mo talaga when it comes to love. Okay, so I do see that this person here, before he or she iwanan kayo rito, unahan mo na siyang iwan dito. Kumalas ka na agad kung ito ay nagsisimula pa lamang 'no. Miss yan, paano ko naman malalaman yun 'no, simple lang, Seven of Cups energy, Strength card right in here, universe will send you messages and signs that this person here is not the one. How? Miss yan, hindi ko alam yung kutob-kutob na yan. Hindi rin ako familiar sa mga signs, synchronicities 'no. Then, it's easy as peasy, sweetheart 'no, because the signs rito ay makikita mo na red flag siya. May mga bagay na, maaaring hindi nakikita at napapansin ng iba, but you must notice the small details 'no, at kung gaano ito magiging kadalas, yun na yung sign 'no. Like let's say 'no, if this person here is someone na dumadalas na yung pagtanggi niya rito 'no, na busy siya instead of helping you, then that might be the sign already 'no. And it happen pa rin 'no, sa mga susunod, then definitely 'no, isa pa rin yung uri ng sign 'no. Situations like that, circumstances like that 'no, is already a sign 'no. So maaaring ganun, ipakita ni universe ito sa inyo because the universe already knows that you're not really familiar with the signs like angel numbers, synchronicities, mirroring numbers 'no. Pero ibibigay nila sa'yo yung simpleng sign na gusto nila na tantusan mo, obserbahan mo at please lang pansinin mo. Because at the end of the day, the universe is just saving you from getting hurt because of this person you thought na siya na pero hindi pa pala 'no. And I love to see that there are a lot of initials right in here that you might also take as signs. So shall we? We have here capital letter C, capital letter Y, capital letter B as in boy, capital letter J, capital letter K, capital letter N, and for other letters we have here R, P, I, E, victory, V. We also have here, last but not the least, the letter G. So yeah, mga babes 'no, I also want you na maging bukas at obserbahan ang inyo ritong situation, especially kung ito ay ka-connect mo na 'no. Kasi maglalabasan talaga yung red flags, pero kapag kasi nandun ka na sa emotions and feelings na nagugustuhan mo na siya, mahirap talaga yun mapansin. But I want you to be alert on this one. The universe also wants you to be alert as well, right? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here, no? Thank you again ni Miriana Ani, Sarang Love and Light. Ani.